I have an update on the airport ruckus that had followed. No FIR has been officially filed right now by the police. We are told that, according to our sources with the senior police officials at the airport, that they have received an information from the CISF till now. The matter is under inquiry immediately, but no case has been registered, which means no FIR has been registered in this case right now. Inquiry is being done in the matter. Also, one of the reasons possibly could be that is because no formal complaint has been filed from Kangana Ranaut, who may be the complainant in terms of that she's put out a video, she has confirmed the incident that has followed, but she hasn't yet gone ahead with a formal complaint. This has come from the police officer that I'm putting it out right now. India Today's Aseem Basi joining me for the latest. Aseem, because there was a lot of speculation that immediately some FIR has been filed, inquiry committee has been confirmed. What can you tell us about the investigation status right now?
As far as we spoke to the police officer right away, the DSP who looks after this case, he just told that no formal FIR has been registered as there has been no formal complaint. And CISF, because the airports are controlled by the Central Industrial Security Force, they have just given them an information that what incident has happened inside the airport terminal. So we also heard, the police also says that no complaint by Kangana has been moved till now. So there is no FIR against Kulwinder Kaur, and just an inquiry. An inquiry is being done about the entire incident, where they will see the place where the incident happened, and they may scan for some CCTV footages. They may talk to the people who were eyewitnesses to this. So, but no formal complaint by Kangana and no FIR till now.
All right, Aseem Basi will be tracking all the latest on that. Remember, while there has been some support to the CISF personnel, but many are asking, can a personnel in uniform, irrespective of personal views, can charge at a member of parliament today, can charge at someone else? And what if this could have turned into a much worse situation? This was, after all, the airport, security and a sensitive zone. Thank you very much, Aseem Basi, for the latest on that. As many are also asking that public representatives should also show some discretion.